Let's talk about our third service lifetime, which is going to be the transient. Just like you are having this add singleton, add scoped method, we can also have add transient method. Okay, this transient has the lowest lifetime among all three of them. What it means? It means every time you are requesting the instance of a particular service from the dependency injection container will always give you a new instance. No matter how many times you are using, even if you are using multiple times in one single HTTP request, you will always get a new instance over there. Alright, let's try this one also. So I'm not changing anything in my user controller. So first I will test this get endpoints, then second we will test this second send gift endpoint. And we will do it like this. So this gift service I'll be using first like this. So same gift service to add the gift, same gift service to get the gift. Just focus on this code again. This is the endpoint to get the gift. So every time I will be using this endpoint, a new instance will be given to us for this gift service. So ultimately, every time I will not get any gift from this service because a new instance is there. For this one, I'm using this same instance to add the gift, same instance to get the gift. Pause the video, share your feedback. Will you get the gift or not? Let's check how it goes. So run this application this time. It is running over here, and here it is. Open a new window also, not a problem. So this is my first one. Click on this execute button. You can notice that we are not getting anything over here. No matter how many times I'm clicking, nothing is there. That's fine. This is expected over here. Second one, try it out. I'm sending some data. So this time let's make it gift 11100 and make it super expensive. Click on this execute button. You can notice we are getting the data. Why we are getting the data? We are using the same instance to add the gift. We are using same instance to get the gift. The concept will come over here if I will use this gift service here. Now, what I'm doing, I am telling this dependency injection container that, hey, I want the instance of this gift service 2 times in my endpoint. What do you think the DI container will do in this case? Remember, we are using the transient service. Transient means every time you are requesting the object, you will always get a new one. So it means if I'm expecting this instance 2 times, one for this one, another for this one, I will get 2 separate instances both the times. So what it means, this gift service will add the data to one instance, and the second gift service too will try to get the data from second instance. So ultimately we should not get any result over here. I hope you are listening to me very well. Let's run this application and see what is the output. So here we are. This is the same. Refresh this page quite a few times just for your satisfaction. Here we go. There we are. This is the second endpoint. Try it out. I'm writing this gift 00 anything. This is just a name. It doesn't matter. The main concept is, are we getting the data or not? See what we are getting over here. We are not getting anything. Though we are using the same endpoint, but in the same endpoint, we are using this instance 2 times. This is how the concept of transient will work. I hope after watching this video, the concept of transient, scoped, and singleton is quite clear to you.